So my friends, this is the unboxing of the red nose designed by Sir Jony Ive, who was chief designer at Apple for many, many years. Now, if you're not from the UK, you may be wondering what this is all about. Well, this red nose is to accompany Comic Relief Day, which was a charity set up by Sir Lenny Henry and Richard Curtis in 1985, and it's designed to raise money, but using fun and comedy to do so. And for many years, they've provided a red nose of some shape or form, which is a purchase, which money goes to charity, and then you wear the red nose on Red Nose Day or Comic Relief Day. Now this year, very different. It's been designed by Jony Ive, and as you can tell from the packaging straight away, it's a little bit different. So when you first open up the case, you've got your red nose and there's a QR code where you can scan for a surprise, and I'll show you what that is a little bit later. Right, onto the nose itself, the star of the show, as us tech reviewers like to say. Well, this is just a really simple design. It's two pieces of plastic and some elastic bands and a bit of paper which creates the nose. There's some branding on either side, Red Nose Day and Comic Relief, and this is how the mechanism works. Yes, I have taken off the paper, and as you can see, it's quite a simple design. So obviously the whole point of this is to create a nose, a red clown type nose effect, and that paper does that as you pull it open. It's concertinaed, and so therefore when you pull it open, it creates the red nose, and it snaps back just enough to give you enough tension to hold onto a nose. So it's actually really quite clever. So I do recommend that everyone purchases one of these. I've left links in the description so you can go straight to either the Amazon page where you can buy it or to the Comic Relief website itself, and so you can pick up one of these. They're £2.50 in the UK, and that money obviously goes to a really good cause. Just be a little bit careful with the nose and maybe buy 2 or 3 of them, I'd recommend, because they are quite fragile. So we're not going to really mark it down on that because it's a charity nose, but as you can see, it can get damaged fairly easily. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure you support this great cause. But just before I go, when you scan that QR code, basically it takes you to a YouTube video where it thanks you for the purchase, the fact that you've just donated. So get on this now, go and buy one, maybe keep one, you never know, it might be worth thousands in years to come.